the Wood Group really have significantly helped us to shape this woodland. When we first came 20 years ago, a lot of the trees were covered in ivy, sycamore, and it was really dark. There was also a lot of rubbish in the woods, and gradually over time, with their support and energy and effort, we've got through a massive amount of work and transformed the woods. And so now we have a lot of different species of trees. We've introduced cherry and lime and birch, to name a few, and our most recent planting is a young Scots pine. So yeah, but just big thanks to the Wood Group and much gratitude.
And just hearing, just in the period that we've been working here, the intensity and the diversity of the bird song, just one example, it's extraordinary how it's changed over that period, through this vision that Kirsty and Martin have brought and the contribution that the community's made to kind of manifesting that vision. It's had an impact, and so when I walk around here on my own, I'm really struck by the bird song. Yeah, for a lot of men, it's much easier to talk and to share and connect when we're doing something, when there's a task. That, I guess that's been my experience.
Yeah, it's sort of one level up of being involved. I think so much of the way we interact with the world around us, especially what we think of as the natural world, is mostly kind of purely visual, I think, and being hands-on, actually getting your fingers into the dirt, is so much more kind of satisfying, so much more meaningful, I think.
Yeah, it's purposeful work. I was thinking about it in terms of exercise, of the physicality of it. You won't find me going running, or you won't find me going to the gym, but give me a really heavy wheelbarrow to push, and I'll do that. That's, give me a wheelbarrow or a log to pull, or an axe, or something real like that, where you're having a good workout without really realising. About being strong and wild, I think. Being here in the woods, that's what Wood Group is for me, being strong and wild.
I suppose maybe this would be considered sexist now, but it feels like I'm doing man's work. I'm out in the woods, chopping the firewood, and that just feels good, as you say, to really use my body to get some sort of exercise, doing something worthwhile. I just can't imagine what it would be like not coming up here and doing it. I'm sure I'd be the worst for it. Well, no, in both Wood Groups we do have women working, and I think that's great, but it doesn't stop it for me feeling like the sort of the man, the provider, bringing home the firewoods, tending the forests.
It's a kind of great thing to do that I wish was open to more people, really. And I know, Martin and Kirsty are kind of, doing everything they can to make this place kind of accessible and usable by different people and groups. So it's all really good stuff. And again, doing what we're doing in a way is also kind of it's helping to make it a more accessible, more usable by a wider kind of community as well. So that kind of feels good.
Yeah, we're just loving all the different ways that people are connecting and relating to this amazing and magical piece of woodland that we feel so honoured to have been guardians of for the last 20 years. And may it continue long into the future, and as we plant these new trees, which we won't actually ever get to see grow to maturity, they're trees for the next generations, and may they continue to enjoy the fruits of what our labour and the wood group's labour. Yeah, thank you.